Want to switch to Visible and keep your number? Here's what you need to know. First, you'll need a transfer PIN from your current carrier. Contact their customer service via app, website, or phone to request it. Have your account details ready. This PIN authorizes the number transfer. Once you submit the porting request, expect it to complete within 1 to 24 hours. Visible aims for 2 to 4 hours during off-peak times. Factors like verification mismatches, carrier-specific rules, especially with T-Mobile or AT&T, and peak periods, weekends, holidays, can cause delays. Your number might be inactive for 15 to 30 minutes during the transfer, but Visible offers temporary connectivity if needed. Ensure all details are correct to avoid errors, as porting is irreversible. After your number is ported, activate your new Visible SIM, physical or eSIM, by inserting it into your phone and following the app prompts. Visible's system automatically assigns your ported number. Next, update your device settings, such as the APN for data, test calls, and texts, to ensure everything is working, and cancel your old carrier account to avoid double billing. If activation fails, Visible Support offers 24/7 chat with tools to retry the port. Visible's porting success rate is high, around 98%, and they continue to refine the process with enhanced online portals and eSIM integration for faster activation.